Submerge. To go underwater, or to put something underwater. My car got submerged in the flood. Several roads were submerged after the storm. Desiccated. Completely dried out, because all the moisture has been removed. I added desiccated coconut flakes on top of the cake. Store the desiccated fruits in an airtight container. Confiscate. To officially take something away from someone, usually because it is illegal, against the rules, or as a punishment. The teacher confiscated my phone during class. I hope they don't confiscate my camera at the concert. The guard confiscated my pocket knife at the entrance. Conceal. To hide something or keep it secret so that other people cannot see or know about it. He concealed his phone under the pillow. He concealed his anger during the meeting. Tattered. Old, torn, worn out, or in poor condition, usually referring to clothes, books, flags, etc. Her tattered clothes were covered in dust. The blanket was old and tattered, but still warm. Stampede. A sudden, panicked rush of a large group of people or animals, often causing injuries or damage. Thankfully, no one died in the stampede. More than 50 people were injured in the stampede. Devastated. Extremely upset, shocked, or very sad because of a painful event or disappointment. We were all devastated by her sudden death. I was completely devastated when I failed the exam. Capitulate. To stop resisting and accept that someone else has won, or to give in after refusing for some time. They fought for weeks before they capitulated. He didn't capitulate, even under a lot of pressure. Faction. A small group within a larger group, organization, or society that has different opinions or interests. A faction of the team disagreed with the coach. The group split into 3 factions after the argument. Unveil. To reveal or show something for the first time, often something that was hidden, secret, or covered. The company will unveil its new car next week. The new statue was unveiled in the park. Exhaust. To make someone extremely tired, or to finish or use up something completely, like time, money, energy. By the end of the day, I was completely exhausted. I exhausted my monthly data in just 1 week. Don't exhaust your savings on unnecessary things. Nip. To bite or pinch lightly. The puppy nipped my leg while we were playing. Ouch! Something nipped my leg. Sob. To cry loudly while taking short, catching breaths. Why are you sobbing? What happened? Her eyes were red from sobbing all night. Crowded. Full of people or things, with little space available. The bus was very crowded this morning. We left the party early because it was too crowded. Provoke. To make someone feel a strong emotion, or to cause a reaction, especially anger. Don't provoke your sister, she is already upset. Don't provoke the dog, it might bite. He tried to provoke me, but I stayed calm. molest. To sexually abuse or assault someone, especially a child. The man was arrested for molesting a child. It is a terrible crime to molest a person. Inaugurate. To officially begin, open, or start something, especially an event, building, project. Who will inaugurate the new shopping mall? The mayor will inaugurate it next Friday.